Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do this family paint project, and also I'm going to show you guys how to paint this picture. Now I'm not a painter, but whatever. So anyways, what you want to do is start with the male of the family or whoever has the biggest hand, and you want to trace their hand, the outline of their hand. It's okay if it's messy because like you're gonna end up cleaning it up a little later, y'all. And look, I'm not an artist or anything, but painting really helps me with stress. Okay, so I really like to paint. So yeah, what I'm doing here is just painting. I mean, not painting. I'm just tracing my hand. And it's really better to use a pencil so you can erase and stuff like that. But if you decide to use a pen like me, it's okay. You can still go in and, straighten it up and things of that nature. So after that, I'm going to do the baby hand. His hand was the hardest to do, y'all, because he didn't want to be still. He did not want to be still. So me and Trey was trying to make him hold his hand flat so I can trace it, but he's strong. Okay, period. He is strong. So I just had to do what I had to do, and yeah, I darn near had to kind of draw his hand on there, like actually draw it, because it's just, you see how it look? He was not trying to be still. So anyways, after I've drawn everybody's hand, it looks like this. And as you can see, I went in and kind of straightened up the lines. So what you want to do is each handprint, you want to make it a different color. So for instance, Trey's handprint, which is the bigger handprint, I'm going to do that blue, like a dark blue. And then my handprint's going to be pink. And then the baby handprint is going to be like a baby blue. But you guys will see that in Also, y'all, like, to me, when it comes to stress painting, it's something that, you don't have to rush. So I take my time. Like, sometimes, like, it'll take me 2 days to finish, painting something. But this just took, like, one night. But both of these pictures really took one night. But the fact of the matter is you want to relax and kind of focus on your painting, because that's what really, helps you relieve the stress, because you're not really worrying about nothing else. For me, it's better for me to paint at night once Kai has went to sleep, or when he's about to go to sleep, because he's calm and he's sleeping, and I really don't have to deal with him wanting to mess up my painting. But yeah, so it's really nice and calm. So right here, what I'm doing, as you can see, I'm just painting my handprint, and it's gonna be pink. Alright, so this is my favorite part, y'all, and that's the details of the hand. I literally just looked at my hand and drew the lines that I had on my hand on the hands on the paper. You know what I'm saying? So I just tried to make it look, as natural and neat as possible. And then the background, I just did blue, light blue, dark blue, and pink, and then kind of just blended them together. And, threw little flakes on it, I guess. And this is how it looks, y'all. I love it. So this is the next picture I'm going to do. I really didn't know what I was gonna do. I just knew I liked these colors together. So I just decided to go ahead and use these colors and paint them and blend them. I love blending colors together. It's so, I don't know, it's just so relaxing. I just love blending colors together. So this is acrylic paint, y'all, and acrylic paint dries pretty darn quick, okay? So what I did was just go over each color once, and what you want to do is make sure you clean your brush in between colors, dip it in water, and then wipe it off. on a napkin or something. So now I'm gonna draw my flower. I'm gonna start off with a circle, and then I'm gonna go in and do the, I don't know what they're called. I guess the leaves of the flowers. I don't know, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And y'all, Trey, he bought me a bunch of canvases to paint and a bunch of paint for Christmas. So I'm gonna be painting a lot, okay? And yeah. So basically, as you can see, the middle of the flower, the leaves, I'm not coloring that in yet, but I am gonna go in with a lighter brown just at the base of each leaf. Y'all, it's not called a leaf, but I can't think about what it's called. But anyways, so and I'm gonna blend that in nice and neat. And I keep going over the yellow because I really wanted the yellow to stand out. So once I notice the yellow is drying, I just put another coat and another coat and another coat, just like that. So also, once you notice the yellow is drying, you can go in and just define the lines a little bit. And if it's not even, like, it's okay, girl. Like, I'm not no Picasso, okay? But anyways, I'm just adding little details to the flower, just to make it pop a little bit, just to make it look, sunflower-ish. Okay, so I did kind of like shadow lines outside of the flower just to give it more of, I don't know, it just looks a little better. But what you want to do is make sure you sign your name at the bottom and date it, girl, because you never know. This might be $1 million painting one day. You never know. But this is how it ended up looking, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all want me to do more stress painting.